Ooh, don't look at my kitchen. Don't look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and I'm excited for today's video because now it is fall. It's time for pumpkin and sweet potato season. So today, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Sweet potato cheesecake. Let's get started. All right, first things first, we're gonna put about 24 ginger snaps into our food processor. I legit counted out 24. I legit counted out 24. Don't judge my tape on my food processor. It's time to get a new one. It's okay, baby, you still work. I knew somebody was gonna ask. It's gonna equal up to about 1.25 cups of crumbs. Now we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of melted butter. All right, you should have something that looks kind of like this, and this will be our crust. Lining my loaf pan with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put our crust inside of the loaf pan. Press down firmly. Now place in the freezer while we make our next layer. We're gonna take a whole 8-ounce container of vegan cream cheese, 1/2 cup of coconut milk. This will help solidify the cream cheese. Full fat coconut milk with the liquid part poured out. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Okay, I'm gonna get us a little taste, see if we need to add any sugar or anything. That's good. I do taste the coconut. So be warned, if you want to mask it, maybe put a little vanilla in there if you don't want the coconut taste. In fact, I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna put a little drop of vanilla in there, but it's really good. I'm gonna go with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Here we go again. Okay, so I've taken the first layer back out of the freezer. Now we're gonna take 1/2 of our combination here to make our second layer. All right, back in the freezer it goes until our third layer. I cooked this sweet potato last night for an hour at 350. Just giving you a size of how big mine is. We're gonna pop it right into our food processor. All right, let's blend her up.
Y'all, I forgot the cinnamon and the nutmeg, okay? How can it be a sweet potato pie cheesecake without the seasoning? And right here at this point in the video, you add 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Of course, the taste, but yeah, you need these two.
Start the video back. There you go, third layer. Now, as you see, we have plenty left over, which is fine by me because this will definitely be dessert. Say less. But I'm going to stick our cheesecake into the freezer for an hour and then we'll come back for our taste test. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour. I just took our cheesecake out of the fridge. Now for the moment of truth, we can lift this thing up and cut it. I'm not nervous at all. Yes. Look at that. That's some Pinterest-ish right there. Okay, y'all ready? Should we slow motion it? I just gained 5 pounds. I don't know how many calories this is, but it's so good. Oh my gosh. For you pumpkin lovers, I did use the same thing, but using a whole can of pumpkin. Only difference was with this, I did not add the coconut oil, so it did not stand up as well. I have, my friend came over and tasted my test recipe with this and it was a success. Did you get a piece of crust?
Mm-hmm. There's crust in there.
Okay.
Cinnamon.
I can't. He's so fake. So fake.
No, girl, this is good.
Yay! I'm gonna put 1/2 in the freezer and 1/2 in the fridge, and we'll come back later and see how that goes. Alright guys, I am joined by my omnivore friend. His name is
Richard Fox.
So let's put the.
The cheese isn't as rich as I would expect cheesecake to be. However, oh no, there's an aftertaste. There's an aftertaste.
Aftertaste of what?
It's dry. My mouth feels dry.
Okay.
Now I want some milk. Yeah. Almond milk. Hold on, vanilla almond milk. The cream cheese is not quite cream cheese, and so that's why when I was making those faces, I was focusing on the crust, and I was like, what is the crust there? Is the crust good? No, I think it is. I do think though, whereas cheesecake, you prefer it, or it tastes really, really good when it's frozen.
Okay.
I think this would taste better when it's room temperature or softer. Okay. All right. See, this is smooth. When I dig into it, it just comes out smooth. Look at those layers. I don't know if y'all can see.
I know.
that.
You gotta.
See how pretty those are? See how pretty those 3 layers are?
Oh, that's not. Oh my god.
Yeah, that didn't look as cool as I thought it would look. All right. Yeah, that was smooth. That was real smooth. That went down well. Okay. I forgot that it wasn't cheesecake and that I should have been critical about the taste. It felt good.
Okay. So basically, if I brought this to a party, I need to just do.
Yeah. And don't tell people that it's like vegan.
Oh, of course. Oh, never.
Yeah.
Never do.
I can rock with it.
Okay, so this is I mixed in this cinnamon and nutmeg.
Wait, now what is this again?
This is the same thing the top layer is, but I just added the cinnamon and nutmeg last minute.
Okay.
Don't leave that out, guys. Don't be like me. Cinnamon and nutmeg, okay?
I like it. I took such a small piece that I didn't think it was going to change the taste, but it subtly influenced the taste rather than changing it. I can rock with that.
He's eating a second piece. Okay, so from his theory, guys, just put it in the fridge after your party. I have more. Okay, I'm right. Yeah.
Now we got 12.
Now it's a whole party. So yeah, that was our experiment to see which was better, freezer or fridge. After you made it, fridge it up. We forgot to add before I turn the camera off that he does not like coconut. He didn't know it was in there. That thing is full of coconut. Coconut milk, coconut oil. It's coconutty, okay?
No, she was like, did you taste the coconut? I was like, thankfully not.
Sorry y'all, okay, we going for real now, bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.